Hey guys, Pixelated Jeopardy here, and today I'm with Boldum. Come on, bro. Today we're doing the time lap and Technic. This is our first let's build video. So without further ado, let's.
Yeah.
Really like you to be my private dancer. Her body smoking, all fucking hook back.
Okay, so that might have seemed real fast. There's Boldum. Okay, that might have seemed real fast, but it took like an hour and 30 minutes, and it's almost 11. And I better get some sleep because for tomorrow, I'm going somewhere. That's why I'm posting this video today. And here's what I came up with. Yeah, that's it. So, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Please leave a like if you did. Don't forget to comment and subscribe in the description below. And as always, peace out, bros.